If you want to learn how to add a YouTube node to rate a video in N8N, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to find the YouTube node, select the rate a video action, and configure it with the details you need. If this video helps, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple workflow tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your N8N workflow and go to the Nodes panel. This is where you can search for and add new nodes to your automation. In the search box, type YouTube or simply browse until you find the YouTube node. Once you see it, click to add it to your workflow. After adding the node, open the action options and choose Rate a Video. This is the specific function that lets you apply a rating to a YouTube video through your workflow. Next, you'll need to configure the node by entering the required details. Add the video information and any other fields needed for your setup, making sure everything is accurate before you continue. Take a moment to review the configuration so the node is ready to run properly. Once the details are filled in, your YouTube node is set up to rate a video inside N8N. That's the whole process. You just went from the Nodes panel, selected YouTube, chose Rate a Video, and configured the node with the required details. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more N8N walkthroughs, automations, and quick setup guides. Thanks for watching.